I'm gonna load the case. Why I got dead today? Catch them sipping murder, them me say.
Boy, Danny British man, here with you with another video, man. God damn, I should have turned this way because I have a light behind me. But that light serves a different purpose. Anyway, man, today I felt like cooking rice outside. That's what I feel like. I've never done it before. You know, when you're cooking rice in a stove, you gotta turn down the fire, turn up the fire. Now I want to know, if I was stuck in the wilderness and had to cook rice, saying I would have rice stuck out there with me, how the frickety hell do I cook the perfect rice outside on a grill with wood fire? Not with coal, with wood fire. So I'm gonna mess around and see what we get, man. And hopefully that thing come out looking scrumptious. And, well, I know it's gonna taste delicious. My great-grandmother taught me how to cook. My great-grandmother, not my grandmother, the person who cooks better than your grandmother. My great-grandmother. Yeah. So anyway, man, I'm gonna fucking mess around with that, see what I get. Hopefully it's chewable. Or not too soft. I like my rice just perfect. Not too hard, not too soft, but not soft. That's what she said.
Them a no gangster, them a wanna be. Stepping on them face with me clocks wallaby. From me little bit a boy coulda call me. I be a hot skull, hot head, follow me. Like Bin Laden, me strap with the AK. Like Saddam, me dogs have the bomb them. Why violate send Muhammad go bomb them? Make him catch a free flight with the birds them. What a bam bam when the Remington slams. Send a boy brain thugs go kill them from Gambia. You little dirty life boy, you shoulda never Gambia. Accept your losses, now you have to left your family. Boy, you shoulda never disrespect. One shot of fly just to rip your chest. Pussy, you shoulda never disrespect. One shot of fly.
Mountain burrito, man. Fuck. Is this the first time a burrito was made in the woods? You tell me. I'm about to go finish my lunch and then pop in a meeting. I have a meeting from 2 to 3 and then from 3 to 4. So I'm gonna go do that, man. And I hope you guys had a wonderful lunch. I know mine was great. Anyway, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and catch you guys another time.
Danny British, you see?
Oh, man.
Hot flavor right now. Hot flavor.
Oh, man.
Hot flavor.
Oh, man. Bumbucker. Oh, man. Yeah. Danny British.